The evidence is irrefutable. Human-induced climate change is widespread and intensifying.
But it's not too late to turn this around. We still have the potential to determine the future of our planet. The government has published the Climate Action Plan, which sets out a clear path to reducing emissions over the next decade, which sets us on a path to achieving net zero by 2050.
In Fianna Fáil, we recognise that responding to this crisis will require solidarity and courage. Speaking at the COP26 Climate Summit, Taoiseach Micheál Martin reiterated our commitment to tackle this emergency.
We have enacted legislation to put a legally binding target of reducing our emissions by 2030 to 51% below 2018 levels. We will reach climate neutrality by 2050. We are working closely with our European Union partners in the green transition that will make Europe the first climate neutral continent. We're implementing a statutory system of carbon budgeting and emissions ceilings for each sector of our economy.
There's no doubt that this will be challenging and will require fundamental change in many parts of Irish life. However, this affords us a unique opportunity to turn the tide on climate change and to offer us a cleaner, greener, more sustainable future for our people and our planet.